have 3.3 years of experience in recruitment, but I always wanted to grow my horizon into other part of HR as well. So that's why I enrolled myself into Excel and this payroll thing, because I understand as a duty of HR, it's not only you should be limited to recruitment, but other verticals of HR including payroll, generalist, or you might say the grievance handling or employee engagement. So I wanted to take baby steps. So since I already have 3.3 years of experience, I want to explore into the payroll part. And then when I googled one day, the first name which came up was iForBest. So without any hesitation, I just gave a call, picked up the phone and described me that what are the courses which are available and how he would be covering all this. And then I came down here, and all the experience, all the knowledge which I have gained, they were just perfect. I mean, I was not aware about so many things into payroll and I would say Excel, and all the knowledge which I got from Excel, thank you to Sashmita ma'am, all the compliance part and the payroll part, whichever sir has covered up, that's just amazing. I would always retain that knowledge, and I guess I have so much of knowledge in this payroll and the whole thing that I can go to interviews and I can speak very proudly that yeah, I have got this knowledge and something I can cater to your company. So yeah, that's the whole experience was simply amazing. I just wish all the very best for iForBest.